or hunker down. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News. The choice for a lot of Floridians today as Hurricane Ian churns toward
Is that
the state.
today?
Hey, my name's Cody. I've been on the road for 5 years in my RV, and I'm here to bring you some RV hurricane prep safety tips. Rule number one, make sure that you don't park your RV under any large trees, unless, of course, you're hoping for a big insurance payout. A part of your hurricane prep is it's important to make sure that you stay hydrated. So, in case they're out of water or there's a limit on it, I want you to remember this. There is no limit on beer. I think it needs a little more. All right.
Dang, why'd I ever cook it the other way?
This is an important one. This is a local tip, all right? So whenever the hurricane comes, they take their patio furniture and they throw it into the pool. So if you're at a park, feel free to take advantage of the pool unless they preemptively close it, in which case I have another solution for you. You can always throw it in any nearby pond. Wait, there's gators in there? All right, the wind's really picking up. It's getting crazy out here. So the last most important thing you're gonna wanna do is what's called a hurricane tie. I'm gonna demonstrate that for you in just a second here. But if you've got like a little Class C or something, you're gonna need probably one or two, be okay. If you've got a big fifth wheel like me, you're gonna want at least three. Now, the double Windsor is standard in most situations, but if you're in a hurry, then a standard Windsor knot will be just fine. But here we are, we're tied down, we're ready to ride this thing out. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. In all seriousness though, take care of yourself, take care of your RV, get your things out. It's a big one, it's coming. You really shouldn't be riding through this thing. And if you are leaving your RV, probably the most important thing you could do, the best thing you could do to protect your RV is just put your slides in and flip your picnic table upside down out front so wind doesn't pick it up and slam it into the side of your RV. Okay, stay safe. I'm out.